Here's how we built this wood and canvas play tent for our 2-year-old. The frame of this tent is made from 1-inch dowels and 1-inch thick lumber. You can get a complete cut list and PDF printable woodworking plans on our website, which we will link below. Use a 1-inch Forstner bit in the triangle corners to drill the holes that the dowels will go through. There's no other connecting, no screws or anything like that, just dowels connecting all of the sides together. With 1-inch dowels and 1-inch holes in your bars, you're going to have a really tight fit. So you're going to want to use a rubber mallet or something similar to make sure that you get everything really tightly assembled. We opted for canvas covering for the top of our tent so it would look more like a camping tent, and that was easy to hem. You fold over 1/4 of an inch, iron that, then fold that over again to hide any of the fraying edges because canvas will really fray really badly, and then just sew to hem. I have the exact dimensions of our fabric listed in our blog post. We then used Velcro with a double-sided sticky to attach it to the underside of the dowels on the tent. This makes it removable and washable. Finally, I decided to add some pom-pom trim just to make it fun and look more like a kid's toy, and I pinned that in place where I wanted it and then just sewed it on using the sewing machine. We absolutely love how this play tent turned out. It's the perfect addition to our son's jungle animal themed room. It makes him feel like he's camping outside. It's a place for him to take his little guys and read, and we hope that his sister will be able to go play with him in there one day. For more details on this project or any of our other projects, visit charlestoncrafted.com.